Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
No, no, get this cat out of here!
No, dude, no!
Dude,
get the...
need to get some food and, like, get the cat out of...
Oh my god!
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me, motherfucker, you!
Just a great day all around. Can you just give me a second?
Just lay off the Bloody Mary.
I just gotta try to find the drinks. I don't know where they're at.
Have you heard the new Sam Smith album?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Nah!
Jeez, it's not that bad.
Ha
Oh!